Humans have several ways that we see. So do all animals, and probably insects too. We compare in our minds what we saw a moment ago to what we see now. And we can figure out what a background is because it doesn't move. But if something moves, then suddenly it registers, and it's a little scary. It activates the amygdala, the you know flight and fright and all that type of stuff, and the emotional parts of the brain. When we're babies, we see our mother's face or caregiver's face, and we map out their face onto ours over a course of time. We look at the muscles and how they move, and we compare, and we try it out using mirror neurons. But and it's a good thing, as long as you have a good caregiver. When you're young, you map it out, and you're good at recognizing faces because you kind of compare them to the first face you ever saw and see the differences and whatnot. But this thing that we have that's so interesting, where we can tell the difference between a background and foreground, or movement from static, is very useful in life. Without it, we couldn't drive, we couldn't play video games, it's so many things we couldn't do if we didn't notice things moving, some difference between just before and just a moment ago. But when you see it in its actuality and how the brain pretty much processes that part, it's kind of frightening, because it's like all of a sudden there's movement, and it's something unfamiliar and strange, and yet after a while you could certainly get used to this. But right now I'm even scaring myself. So there you have it.